Hi back. So we want to start make here we unwrap and make there the materials. So for that we need to mark seam that all like ever. I hate that, but it must be done. So we do that. Take the outer lines of each what we see and mark them seam. But only the outlines, nothing else. We have to apply the rotation scale. And unwrap again. Here we can take the node editor and beside of them the UV image editor that we close with that. So, and we see that don't looks good, so we make here from view an unwrap. Then we take a material folder, new, and call it window wood 1. We take here principal shader. We say it should come from an image. It should be opened in our texture folder. Yep. It should be wood. So I take this old wood that we take for the stairs, and that's good. So the same we have to do for each of this there. So we have here to mark seam again. So then we can here, I think we must apply the rotation scale of it here. And then from view, and then we give them that wood material there. Something with window wood, yes. So we have to do that with all. So I want that, make it a little bit faster. So I delete that here and simply copy that there and place it there. Same I do with that one here. Simply mark that seam. Okay, mark seam. Then object, apply rotation scale, U to unwrap from view, and give them this window material. This window wood material, so I can delete that here and simply copy that and bring that there to the side. When we look at the material, we will see that is much too glossy. You see it here, it's very glossy. So we give them here a high roughness. And we can plug the color into the displacement to have their real 3D. And give them a math converter that isn't so strong. So we go here to multiply and here to 0.1. Good. Maybe a little bit too much, we will see that later. Good, then we have to do the class material. So we click on the class, new, type in class. Here we take class shader, so diffuse, we open that and go to class. Then for class you need a light path, how the light goes through this material, so that it's input light path. And then we need a shader, a mix shader. We want to mix the class with a transparent shader. So that means if there is a falling shadow in the class, it don't appears there, so that is lighter. That is how class should be. You can also get the reflection with it and plug it there too. That is your turn. So I plug that on each class material there. Yeah. Then here on the top, that is all class, I think. Yeah, I think so. So we can here simply take the class shader 2. That here can be all maximed and from view, and we give them that window material there, and same with that thing here, view from view, window material done. On the top, view from view, window done. Good. So we have that. That you do also with the other two guys there. File, save. Good. Look, a little preview. Yeah, wonderful thing. But we have to bring your light in. That looks bad here. So the lamp should be sun. Should use nodes. It should have a range of 6. And the shadow should be harder, so 0.3 or something like that. We use the preview, we go to the world settings, use nodes, background should be an environment texture. We open that, we look in our texture folder, we got here our graphic for that, and we file save that. Then we look in the scene. The sun comes from the wrong side, so the shadows of these pictures fall over it. So I rotate the sun like there, and the sun don't shine so, it shines so at 12 o'clock. So file save. Now that should look other. There. Looks much better, and we see that is too much, this 0.1. We take there 0.01. little bit much, so we take 004. Yeah, that is okay for me. Good. Done that. File, save. Now we have to build this windows there. So we add mesh cube, scale down, scale set, then bring it in front, scale Y, edit mode, Control R, make two loops in, scale set to bring him there, edit mode, word selection with background selection, circle selection, make here middle loop, get this both and extrude them to the side. You can make it directly with a mirror, so you don't to do that double, but I hate the mirror modifier, so I make it this way. Spacebar, search, bridge, edge loops, and close that. So we have the outer part of the window. And there should be the smaller one, so we can here place a loop in and give them the thickness that we need there, such like that. Good. Then we connect them. Spacebar, search, bridge, done. This is in it, so it is a separate mesh. So that was that, and we make now the inner part of that. So we get here at mesh cube and scale set, and you see the top one is smaller than the down part of it. So when we make the loops in, we make two loops, sure, scale set to bring them up, but that one must be more up than the other. Then we make it as before, Control R, make a middle loop, then take the top and the down part and extrude them till the end, what we need there, and then Control R, make here the ends. So, and then connect them with search, bridge, edge loops. We have that, then 1, 2, 3, 5 times it should be cut in that way and 2 times in that way. So we cut here 1 time, there in the middle, there 1 time, here 1 time, and there 1 time. So we only have to give them a thickness, so Shift D, such like that. Here same on this side. Good. Then we connect them as before, spacebar, bridge, done. Same here. Good. And it is not completely in the middle, you see that? So you can simply scale them together or move them together. Grab them. With a good eye you can see that. So we need here 5 cuts in. So Control R and roll the mouse so you get 5. Then down there the same, but we don't need it, we bring them so down. So Control R, make here the loop, it should be a small one, and that we make with all these loops there. And then we bring them all down so we can mark them and extrude them. Wow, we've forgotten that here are no loops between, so we have to make their loops between, and then we can take it. So extrude, bring it down. Good, we done that, and that comes into the other window there. So here's the window, and we plug it in there. So we grab it and position it, and then scale it up, then it fits as long as it takes. Good, we scale. A little bit more. And then scale X to bring it there. And bring it a little bit in back. So we have that. Oh, it's not so much back. Okay, we'll go a little bit near. Okay. Then we have that. File, save. We take that color. So material, new, window, red. We take here the color, and there is a pipette here. You take that and click here on the color you want to have, and then he takes that automatically, but you see it isn't that color that we want, so we must try a little menu control, but that is nearly that color. So we have that there, and we can take it here. So window, red. Good. File, save. Then we need a class behind it. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale X, scale Y, and bring it in the background. So that becomes this normal class material, and that was that. File, save. Good. We should now make the doors and this stuff, so before we can join that here together as one. So we have only one window there. That is better to handle. Good. So grab it away. File, save. So you see this one looks like that, and these two guys look like that here. Well, it's completely other. So we have to do that. Yes. So we start with the outer part, and there are these two stripes there. Goes there, there, there. Okay. Ah, isn't it wonderful? Add mesh cube, scale down, scale set, such like that. And then there's all small stuff, so we make here small stuff. and we go till the end. So we can simply take that here, Shift D, copy that and bring it to the other side. And then we bridge that. And we bridge the down part. Spacebar, search, bridge. Good. Here we need a space that comes down there. So we have to open up it here. Control R, make 2 loops in, and we get here this part away. That means we take here these middle edges and delete the edges. So we have open up it, and we have to close here with F the ends of that. Good, we bring that more in front. Good. Then we bring down here the door parts, but they go only till this point, but the door itself, it goes deeper. So that means we have to get here these parts, think like that, then we use here again this one and extrude it simply till the top. That is the outer part, and now we make the inner part and the door itself. So here we can give this window red color thing there. Yes, it's so good. File, save as. I give them a new version number. So now we make the inner part, and don't wonder that here isn't some. That is normally from the Google Maps that makes such shit. That is real. Good. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale set, scale down, scale set. Good. We need 3 of them. So Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, then rotate by 90, scale X, bring it on the top, Shift D on the bottom, Shift D on the other 2 places. Good. We done that window thing there. That can be a little bit deeper. That a little bit more into that too. And that will be fine. Good. We join that together as one. Yes. We give them the reddish color there. We use them 2 times on each side there. So you see it should be much brighter. So scale X, more like that, and bring that here at the top. Scale a little bit more. And that is the same but smaller, so that isn't the problem. So Shift D, we place it on the other side, and Shift D, we bring it there, but here we scale that in set, and then it needs 3 times. Okay. So we have to rotate before. Rotate by 90. Then we have it 3 times. Now we scale set, and then we scale it in complete, and then we have good. This, guys, we plug into, put a little distance to the front. Good. So we have now to build here. Sorry for that. So, doors, we have to build. Wow. I love that. Sunny weather in Germany. Wow. So, we go here down. So I take this here and that here and make that longer to the down. Then I make there only the windows, so that must become more down, such like that. Then we extrude again and bring it there. Good. Then we need here the middle part, so we go here, Control R, make 2 loops in scale X. That will be the door parts, the 2 different parts that we have there. So must short think about it. We make the part there, and then we bring them over there. Okay. So make it this way. Add mesh cube. Scale down. Scale X. Scale X, that we come to the middle of that, and the bottom should be reached too, that is clear. So we have to get that here and here, that in the middle, nearly the middle, not complete. Then we want to have there overall a little bit space, so that means we take here 2 loops to each side in the X. Then at the top and the bottom, scale set, and the down part should be a little bit higher, so we bring that to such like that, and that should be it. We can open up now here the middle part, so here X only faces, then it is opened. Don't forget it is too big, so scale Y. And there is the backside too, only faces. So then we have to close here this faces now. F to close. F to close. Good. We have done that. That can have the same reddish color there, so window red style there. Good. Top view, all is good. So Shift D, we place it on the other side too, and a little bit small, I think. It is too small, so we scale on the X and Shift D, place it there. Scale X and here scale X too a little. So good. We bring it into and onto, into and onto. Wow. Good. File, save. Then we make the classes for them. That here is too small also, or it's wrong position. So we scale that in the X a little. Same that here. Scale X. Scale X. Good. That should be more there with a little space, and here this with a little space too. Good. So file, save, and the classes. So add mesh cube. It's always the same, nothing special about it. Scale X, set. Then bring it behind. Scale Y. Bring it in there. Give them the class material. Shift D, place it on the other side. Shift D, place it in the middle, and make it down part longer. So simply take that and plug it down. And here we have to go a little bit more to the background so that it is there, but we see then it fits not here on the top. So we go there and make there simply 2 loops in, and then we can take the top part and bring them more to them. Good. All in all, that can be scaled in the X, and that is good. Yes, a nice one. File, save. We all bring that together. We join that. So let's have a look. That we have that, and we need that and that. Join. Good. We done that too. Grab it there. File, save. So we have the windows, we have the door. Yeah. Now the house itself sure is needed, and we have to make that here in the texture style layer. So that was something window wood, and it should be from view. Same as this here, from view, and window wood. Same as that one. Sure, you can copy that from there. That's the same. It's all the same. But sometimes I'm too tired for such. and I think how many things I must build to end this project. Then I sometimes don't believe that I can make that. That all later must be baked and so on. That's all not so less stuff. So let's want this one here from you. That is a real huge project. And yeah, hope I can handle that. But why not? Oh, yeah, what's the right one? Good. File, save. So as we see, the house isn't the normal roof. That is the roof like we did before. That here's another style, and it has a side. Good. So when we look at the roof on fire, here you see it. That is the roof from the house that we built in the moment now. So it goes straight there, and then a little leaning only there, and there are the windows in. Okay. So we see it here from the back, and here it's from the front, and you see that goes completely through, but only a little leaning there. So we try to do that simply. We add mesh the cube, and it is a nearly quadratic one. So we have that here, scale Y, and we have to make now this part out there. So we go in and make 2 loops, and scale X, make it near till the end there, and then we go with these 2 parts up here. That gives the front of that, and the rest is then it goes a little straight up, so we can make a middle loop and give them a little outline. That is the style of this roof. So we rotate X 90 degrees, we rotate X 180 degrees, we rotate Z 100, no, we rotate Z 90, rotate Z 90, wow, the wrong one, rotate Z 90, so, good, fine, we are so good. Now we have to get their maximed. So take that here, the roof. The roof is on fire. Yeah, sure. Here comes the windows in. There too. Here we need a separate part. There comes another, so the downlines and the edges there too should be maximed. Good. Think we can take that here too. Yeah. Good. So now we have to apply the rotation scale of it. Then we can hue unwrap, and we need this roof material. So I don't know. We have that here. Roof, 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 side panels, roof. Wow, we have it. That's fine. And it is correct way. In this case, and that here not. So we have to rotate it here. So we click there, go then on the UV image editor and rotate 180, and it is turned in the right direction. Here that is okay, and that here is wrong. So rotate 180. Here we must look. That is wrong also. So we rotate them 180. Good. So we have that is okay. That is okay too. So that is the roof, and the windows must come in there, sure. So we will see. Bring that to the side. File, save. Good. We have that, and now we need the building itself. It is 4 stages, and we take that as reference for that. So we can simply make the new cube. That is better, and it's too high. I think I must look. A window, a second window, okay. Now can be a little bit smaller. Scale set. Good. Then we build the house itself, as said. So add mesh cube. Scale down. Bring it down under 1, 2, 3, 4. No, scale set a little more, and then we have that. I think that can be 4 stages. We simply make the 4 loops in, and then we see what we get. 3 loops in, so we have 4 stages. That's okay. That is this one, and we have to cut out now the holes for the windows, and then it goes on and on and on. So we can try here bevel. So there, and not here, but there, there, no, there. Good. So we try bevel, Control B. Yeah, roll it. Good. Maybe we must go here a little bit more to, I don't know, we will see. That is, in a moment, not see able, build able, do everything able. Good. So we done that, file, save. That next we will cut in the holes and then plug that all the windows in, and then we see. Okay. So thanks a lot. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.